Side of the river, so I think they're taking position right now.
Get the line that's hunting our turkey.
Die können wir nochmal eine Stunde spielen. Von der anderen Seite gucken.
And this is the other one too.
Right in the middle of the patio.
Wow. Which that lodge, because I've already been in Kruger National Park for 3 months.
It was, who were they, baby?
Something that says welcome.
There's another lioness under a tree.
River first.
Well, it's got to be Edie because Cosmos has a shovel.
We'll let Morgan go first. He has the biggest vehicle.
Then we can push him from the back, right?
That's right.
Ever get stuck?
Yeah, we have proof
Yesterday it was somebody's fault. Yeah.
We have proof otherwise.
Same spot. No, this is only one tree, but those is looking like it's a multiple tree, mean that those are big, the biggest branches that he has.
Big branch.
Yeah.
Edie says this is the largest baobab tree.
Why is there a leopard in that tree then?
Because this tree is not inside of the park. This is outside of the park.